A rocket contained 467,000 kilograms of propellant before launch. Exactly 21 seconds after launch, 362,105 kilograms of this propellant remained. On average, approximately how much propellant in kg did the rocket burn each second after launch? So, what I'll do first is I'm going to underline the question. On average, approximately how much propellant in kilograms did the rocket burn each second after the launch? So we know that it started off with this much, and it lasted for 21 seconds, and afterwards they had this much remaining. So the burn rate, essentially, is basically the final amount, final minus initial, divided by time, which in this case is 467,000 minus 362,105 divided by 21 seconds, which should give us the burn rate in kilograms per second. So in my decimals calculator, 467,000 minus 362,105, all divided by 21, that should give us 4,995 kg per second, which is answer choice A. If you like this video, please comment SAT in my direct message to get your free SAT study guide.